Here's I'll show you how to make a countdown timer in OBS. First of all, let's add a new source. Select text and I'm typing here countdown, and don't write anything in this text option. If you want to customize your text, click on select font and you can just go ahead and select your font. You can select your font style and your font size. Click on OK, and here you can change your text color by clicking on select color and go ahead and select a color for your countdown text. Or you can enable gradient text option from here, then click on OK. After that, select the countdown layer and go to tools, click on scripts. Here select scripts and click on this plus icon, and from this scripts folder you have to select countdown, click on open. Once you selected the countdown, here click on text source and select the text. So my text layer name is countdown, so I'm selecting my text here, and we can see the preview. Now duration minutes. If you want to start countdown timer from 5 minutes, just type here 5 minutes, or you can select tens and then click on close. And here we can see I've successfully added my countdown timer. Now if you want to customize this countdown timer, just go to tools, scripts, select the countdown timer, and here click on edit script and select notepad, click on just once to open. And this is the countdown timer script. Here we can see the format, starting format. So from this starting format, you can easily go ahead and customize your countdown timer format. That's it.